Today, I'll show you exactly how to dramatically improve your audio quality when recording your screen with OBS Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll sound cleaner, clearer, and more professional, even if you're working with basic gear or a less-than-ideal environment. Let's get right into it, because good sound changes everything about how your viewers experience your content. So, the real secret to great audio in OBS comes down to 3 super useful filters you're probably not using enough: noise suppression, noise gate, and compressor. Each one does a different job, and when you combine them, your microphone sounds much more like it's in a studio, not a noisy office or bedroom. Let's start with noise suppression. Think of this filter like a clever digital bouncer for your audio. It listens for constant background noise, like fan hums, laptop whirs, or maybe distant street sounds, and gently pushes them out before your audience can hear them. To add it, open up the audio mixer panel in OBS, find your microphone, and click that little cogwheel next to it. Select Filters. Then, look for the plus icon under Effect Filters. Choose Noise Suppression. When you get the choice of method in the dropdown, go for RN Noise. This one's powered by AI, and in most cases, you'll hear a big improvement instantly. It's like putting on noise-canceling headphones for your voice. RN Noise doesn't need much fiddling, so if you're worried about endless tweaking, relax. With this setting, it's pretty much set and forget. Now, let's move on to the noise gate. Imagine this as a door that opens only when you're speaking and slams shut when you stop. The purpose? Any leftover noise, like your computer fan kicking up between phrases, stays locked out when you're quiet. Still in that filters window, hit the plus icon again and select Noise Gate. You've got a couple sliders here. First, the close threshold. This controls when the microphone will fully mute itself. I recommend speaking normally, then pausing. Watch the audio meter in OBS. You'll want to set the close threshold just above where the meter sits when you're silent. Next is the open threshold. This decides how loud you need to be for the mic to open and let your voice in. Set it just below your regular speaking volume so you don't miss any words. Don't stress about the attack, hold, or release times. The defaults usually feel pretty natural. You may need to try this a few times to dial it in, but you'll definitely notice less unwanted noise sneaking in between sentences. Finally, add the compressor filter. This one's like a referee for your volume, keeping your voice nice and balanced, so loud parts don't blow out your listeners and quiet parts aren't lost. Still in the filters area, one more tap on the plus icon for compressor. Let's set the ratio to 4:1. This is a classic value for vocals and means any loudness over the threshold gets smoothed out. Next is the threshold slider. Here, you want to watch your normal speak peak level in the audio meter. Adjust the threshold so your regular voice just triggers a bit of compression. If the result is too soft, crank up the output gain a little. Adding about 4 decibels tends to give you that sweet spot, where your average meter levels sit around -10 to -15 dBn. This is right where most pro-level creators aim. Now, a couple quick bonus tips. If you can, use a dynamic microphone. These are built to ignore background sound, unlike those super sensitive condenser mics, and always keep your mouth about 2 to 6 inches from the mic. That makes your voice clear, and all your filters do a better job. If possible, record somewhere quiet, away from open windows, noisy computers, and fans. It's the best free improvement you can make. That's it. Your sound should now be much smoother and clearer. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want tips for specific microphones or tricky setups. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials that help you look and sound your best. See you in the next one.